Welcome to Enventions, the YouTube channel where we explore the latest and most innovative gadgets and inventions. Today we've got something truly exciting to share with you, the SUPCUTTER. The SUPCUTTER is not just your average board cutting tool, it's a game changer designed for both power and safety. With its ergonomic design and cutting-edge technology, it makes every cutting task a breeze. One of the standout features is the commitment to safety. The SUPCUTTER is equipped with a blade guard that ensures you're protected at all times. Plus, it has an automatic shutoff feature for that extra peace of mind. Now, let's talk power. The SUPCUTTER's high-torque motor and precision blade make cutting through a variety of materials like butter. Whether it's wood, plastic, or even thick cardboard, the SUPCUTTER gets the job done with ease. But here's the best part. The SUPCUTTER is incredibly user-friendly. From its easy assembly to the intuitive controls, this tool is designed to make your DIY projects enjoyable and stress-free. Now, here's your chance to be part of something big. Head over to the Kickstarter campaign through the link in the description. By backing the SUPCUTTER, you not only secure one for yourself, but also support the creators in bringing this innovation to life. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell for more exciting innovations. Until next time, stay inventive.